What is the best food for your baby's brain development? A question that has undoubtedly crossed the mind of anyone anticipating the arrival of a new member in the family. It's a vital question because the food your baby consumes in the early years can greatly impact their brain development. Today, we delve into this topic, shedding light on the best foods that can nurture your baby's brain growth. First on our list are avocados. This creamy green fruit is a powerhouse of healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, which are crucial for a baby's brain development. The texture of avocados also makes them an easy food for babies to consume. Next, blueberries come into focus. These tiny berries are bursting with antioxidants that can protect your baby's brain. They also contain a good amount of vitamin C and fiber, making them a wonderful addition to your baby's diet. Third, we have Greek yogurt. Rich in protein and calcium, Greek yogurt is essential for the growth of brain tissue and neurotransmitter function. Besides, it contains healthy fats that are beneficial for brain health. Now, we turn our attention to dark, leafy greens. Foods like spinach and kale are rich in iron and folate, both of which are essential for brain development. They also contain antioxidants that can protect your baby's brain cells from damage. Fifth on our list are eggs. They are a great source of choline, a nutrient that aids in the development of memory stem cells in the brain. Eggs also provide a good amount of protein and vitamins necessary for overall growth. Finally, we have fish. Cold water fish like salmon are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to play a key role in brain health. They aid in building brain cells and strengthening memory performance. In summary, the best foods for your baby's brain development are avocados, blueberries, Greek yogurt, dark leafy greens, eggs, and fish. Each of these foods brings unique nutrients to the table, promoting not only brain development but overall health. Remember, it's not just about feeding these foods to your baby, but also about maintaining a balanced and varied diet. Also, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your baby's diet. So, the next time you're preparing a meal for your little one, consider including these brain-boosting foods. After all, nourishing your baby's brain today can set the stage for a lifetime of curiosity, learning, and growth.